Welcome to my channel ICT by Ruchi. Today we will revise the chapter 2 parts of computer of National Cyber Olympiad book. Okay, it is by MTG. So let's start. So before starting the chapter exercises, I would like to give you some hint like what is this chapter all about. This chapter is all about the parts of a computer. As you can see, I have pasted the picture of a computer and its parts here. So let me explain this first is printer. It is used to give printouts, that is hard copy paper. This is speaker is used to give output, like it gives us the sound. Monitor, it is again an output device. In it we can watch, it is like a TV, it watch movies, we watch the screen on it, it is like a TV. This cabinet is called CPU, central processing unit, and it is the brain of the computer. This is a speaker can be external or it can be inbuilt also. It is used to record our voice, means we speak on it, or if we want to give computer some instructions, we can speak and computer can do for us. This is a keyboard. Keyboard is used to print or typing. Okay, so we used to type the things like alphabet, number from it. And the last one is a mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. We can point, like this is my cursor, I am taking it right left using a mouse. So it's a pointing device. It has three buttons: left click, right click, and a scroll bar. Left click for left click, right click for opening the menu, and in between there is a scroll bar which takes a page up down. Mouse can be wired or can be wireless, means it can have a wire or it can work without wire also. So these are the basic computer knowledge which a first grade student should know. Parts of a computer and which part does which operation, which part is useful for doing which thing. Okay, clear? So let's start the questions. Which of the following is not a part of a computer? Think what can be the answer. Answer is D. O1 is not a type of a computer. Keyboard, mouse and monitor are part of computer. Next question. Which of the following parts of a computer is used to watch movie? So A monitor, B keyboard, C mouse, D printer. It's very easy. For watching we need a TV screen. Okay, so think what can be an answer. Answer is A monitor. Next question. A part of a computer are connected to it with the help of wire. Which of the following parts of a computer can be connected wirelessly? Okay, option A mouse, option B keyboard, option C CPU, or a D option A and B. Think. Answer is D, both A and B, because in today's life, today's 2021, we have a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse which work without wire. Okay. Next, select the correct match. We have to read printer, speaker, monitor and mouse, and we have to find which is the printer written. So picture on the A option is printer or not. Option B monitor. Is the option B picture is monitor or not? Option C is speaker. Is the picture of speaker is here or not? Option D mouse. Is the picture in front of D option is mouse or not? So think. Answer is C speaker. It's very easy. Next question. The given device is called dash. It is used to enter dash into the computer. A mouse letter and symbol. B keyboard letter and symbol. C printer and photos. D speaker and photos. So we have to firstly, in the first option, we have to write the name of a device, and in the second fill in the blank, we have to write the function of this device, like what this device does. So choose from the option A, B, C, D and give me the answer. Answer is B keyboard. The device name is keyboard and it is used to enter letter and symbol into the computer. Next question. Which of the following parts of a computer can be controlled by a given device? So firstly you have to know this device is of which, this is which device. As we know, this is a cabinet, CPU, central processing unit. Okay, now CPU is a brain of a computer. It control the complete computer. Okay, we discussed this in the starting. So give me the answer out of A, B, C, D. A mouse, B keyboard, C monitor, D all of this. Hence CPU control which device? Mouse, keyboard, monitor, or all of this. Answer is D, all of these, because CPU, central processing unit, is a brain of a computer, and mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer, everything, speaker, everything is recorded, everything is monitored by CPU. Next question, which of the following devices needed if you want to listen to songs on a computer? A, speaker, B, printer, C, keyboard, D, mouse. Okay, so this question is basically you want to check if you know the picture name or not. Okay, so give me the answer. Answer is A, speaker is required if you want to listen to songs on a computer. Next question, which of the following device is used to point and select items on a computer screen? A, printer, B, speaker, C, keyboard, D, mouse. Okay, give me the answer. I told you, I asked you point and select. So as I told you, which is a pointing device through which we can select, click. So answer is mouse. D, mouse. Mouse is a pointing device through which we can select any option, click on it on a monitor screen. Next question. You want to do the following task. Type letters in a computer, create a copy of those letters onto the sheet of a paper. Means firstly you are doing the typing and then you are taking a printout, because you are taking that letters into the sheet of paper. So which of the following parts of a computer is needed? A, keyboard, B, printer, C, speaker, D, both A and B. So think. Answer is D, both A and B, because A, keyboard, is used to writing, typing letters, and B is used to take them on a sheet of a paper. Next question, which of the following statement is correct about the given part of a computer? So given part of a computer is speaker. So let's read the option. It is known as a printer, it is used to take photos, it is used to listen to songs, or none of these. Give me the answer quickly. Answer is C. It is a speaker and is used to listen to songs. Next question. Dash is the basic part of a computer which control its overall working. A, B, C, D. Now you have to guess the picture name and the answer on your own. Give me the answer. Answer is B. B picture is CPU, which control the overall working of a computer. A is a mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. It does not control computer working. C is a speaker. It used to give sound. And D is a printer. It is used to take printout. So the part of a computer which control overall computer and the brain of a computer is B, CPU. Next question. Select the odd one regarding parts of a computer. A, printer, B, speaker, C, keyboard, or D, smartphone. So which is an odd one out? Give me the answer. Answer is D, a phone, because printer, speaker, and keyboard are a part of a computer, and a smartphone is a type of computer. Is a type of a computer, smartphone, which we can take in our pockets. Next question. Reema wants to write the following sentences using computer. Name Reema Kapoor, roll number 10. Which of the following part of a computer will allow her to do so? So for writing, which part is required out of A, B, C, D? So firstly look at the pictures, find out the name of the pictures, and then give me the answer A, B, C, D. Answer is D. Keyboard allow typing. Identify the picture for the given jumbled word. So we have again the letters. We have to make a word from this letter and to identify which picture is it. It's A, keyboard, B, mouse, C, speaker, or D, monitor. Okay. So start. doing? Answer is D, monitor. Okay, we can do firstly unjumble the words and then can choose the option, or we can do opposite also. Like we see A is a keyboard, but K is not present in the option, so A cannot be the answer. B is mouse. Mouse spelling is Mouse. S is not there, so B cannot be the answer. C is speaker. Sir, it starts with sir. Sir is not here, so it cannot be the answer. D is monitor. Monitor, all the letter Monitor is here, so the answer is D. Next question. Whatever you type using keyboard is shown on monitor, mouse, CPU or printer. Give me the answer. Answer is A, monitor. It's very easy. 16th question. Identify the parts of a computer marked as X and Y and select the correct statement. X is speaker, Y is monitor. A, B, C, D. A, X. As I told you in the previous video, we need not to read both the statements. If one statement is wrong, like say X is wrong, we will not read Y. Okay. So let's see A. It is used to listen recording sound. A. Okay, correct. It is known as a speaker. No, Y is not a speaker. Wrong. B. X is known as a speaker. Correct. Y. It is known as a monitor. Now you have to think it's right or wrong. C. It is used to type letter. So C is not used to type letter. So we will not read the Y part and cross the C part. D. Both A and B. As we know, A part is wrong. Y, it is not a speaker. So D part is also wrong. So which is remaining? Now tell me the answer. Answer is B. X is speaker, Y is monitor. 17. Identify the given parts of a computer whose name are hidden in the given grid. So you can do it two ways. Firstly, you can select a word from this grid, or you can see the options. So A option is mouse. You have to find is the mouse name is in the grid or not. Second is CPU. Is the CPU is in this grid or not? Third is keyboard. K is here, keyboard is here or not, or D, both A and B. So either you can solve grid first, or you can choose from the option and then find out which will be the answer. Do this. Answer is D, both A and B. As you can see, mouse is here and CPU is in the second sleeping line, mouse is in the first line. So let's start the next question. Identify the following. It can be connected wirelessly to the computer. It is used to enter letter and number into the computer. Okay, so which is used to typing and which can be connected wirelessly? A, speaker. B, keyboard. C, speaker. A is headphones. B is keyboard. C is speaker. D is printer. Tell me the answer. It can be connected wirelessly and is used to enter letter and symbol in the computer. So option answer is B, keyboard. Very easy. Next question. Select the correct statement about the given jumble word. So as we know that we have a computer vocabulary, parts of a computer. So we have to think which word this jumbled letter are forming, and then we have to choose from the option. A option, used for pointing item on a computer screen. It is used to enter letter on a computer. It is used to listen to music. It control all the working of a computer. Okay. So tell me the answer. Answer is A. It is used for pointing item on a computer. It's very easy. Like you can see, D part is it control overall working of a computer. We know it is a CPU. Spelling starts for C. C is not here. It is used to listen to music. Speaker. S. P. P is not here. It is used to enter letter on a computer. It is keyboard. K. K is not here. Only one option is left, A. So A is the answer. Next and the last. Match the following, column 1, column 2. So we have given the pictures. Firstly, we have to know which picture is this, and then we have to match it with its usage, its function. So A is CPU, keyboard, monitor. Column 2, which is used to watch movies. 2, known as brain of a computer. 3, used to type letter into the computer. So CPU is watch movie, brain computer or type letter. Keyboard is watch movie, brain of a computer or type letter. Monitor, watch movie, brain of a computer or type letter. So do this very easy. Answer is A. CPU is brain of a computer. Its keyboard is used to type letter into the computer, and C is one, monitor or TV is used to watch the movies. Thanks. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and the complete class 1 NCO all chapter link is given in the description, so you can watch from there and practice. Happy Olympiad. Thank you.